Hi guys, so today I will also be talking how to complete a future trade here on Bybit. Alright, so now we've completed our signed up, completed our KYC, deposited, and now we are going to trade on Bybit. Alright, so let's get started. We go to trade. We are currently on future. So right here, this is so USDT. You can click on the drop down to select any token you want. You can select Ethereum, BTC, and any other token that are your favorite, right? So once you're done selecting that, you come back here. Then the next, you're going to choose the leverage. The leverage actually means the number of X you're using. We have 1X, 3X, 5X, even 25X up to 100X, right? But it's advisable you use a lower X leverage. That is because the higher number of leverage you use, the more probability of you losing your money. All right. And remember, future trade, you're just predicting the future. You're not actually sure of how the price may looks like, whether it may remain the way it is or not. Okay. So you choose your leverage here. Usually, I like don't there some exchange actually have 6 or 7 or 8 leverage, but let me use 10 for example. Then the next thing we are going to deposit into our future wallet. Currently our money is on fiat. Okay, why some call it funding wallet. So we have it on funding wallet. So let's transfer it from funding to unified trading account. So we'll put the amount here, for example $10, and we'll confirm. So the $10 has successfully arrived into our wallet. So now we are going to do a quick buy order. We are going to long the market. I think that is what we likely be. But before then, let me check the candle. It is very important to check the candle and know your stand. Okay. So Solana is looking great. It have the probability of going high currently. So we are going to do a very quick short. So let's come back here and are we going to use the whole of our money? If you're going to use the whole money, here is the quantity. You click on this to put it at 100%. 100% means you're using the whole of this $10 in it. Then I'll show you the leverage, and I'm also showing the price, and I'm also showing the token. Then the next thing, we are going to wait for a perfect time to enter, because right now it's currently above our expectation. Maybe we should wait for 214 around 200 and 220. So guys, I think we'll be entering around this region. All right, so let me long it within this. Okay guys, so I forgot to show you. So definitely we are going to choose the limit type. All right, we have the market type and we have the limits. So limit type, limit order actually refer that, okay, Bitcoin is trading at $60,000, and now you want to buy it at $56,000. All right, you want, when it goes down, you want to buy low and sell high. All right, but currently we won't be using limit order. We'll be using market order. Market order actually refers to buying it at the current market price. So if Bitcoin is trading at $60,000, you buy it at that $60,000. All right, so that is what it actually means. So let's select the market order, then also include the quantity, then you can now long it. So let's watch closely and know the best position to enter, because currently the market is struggling with somebody's heart. So let me short from here. So guys, you see that we've shorted it from this position. So currently we are going to close this.